G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 18 Bronton Way in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This lovely brick and tile home was completed in 2006 and has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time. Positioned on a spacious 750 square metre allotment backing onto parkland with a lake, this is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that also comes with being able to drive to beautiful Gatakers Bay and the boat ramp, launch your boat and go fishing within minutes. You also have the convenience of being only a short drive away from Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, golf course, and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by the light-filled design with an intuitive and creative floor plan offering an abundance of space for everyone. The vast open plan living and dining area, which does include the kitchen, forms the heart of this home and also includes split system air conditioning. The kitchen offers ample bench and storage space plus a pantry, making it ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. This home does utilise its space perfectly with that vast indoor living and dining area seamlessly connecting with the large north-facing outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You also have a separate lounge or media room to the front of the home so everyone can enjoy their favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main living and dining area as well as 3 of the 4 bedrooms for year-round comfort. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all thoughtfully placed away from the main entertaining zones, providing space and privacy for everyone. All 4 bedrooms include ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes, and 3 of these also feature split system air conditioning. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a built-in wardrobe and an ensuite. The bathroom includes a shower, vanity and bath, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. This property also offers both side and rear access to the great 9 by 6 metre 3-bay shed with power and a workshop. There is also a carport to one side, which will be ideal for those looking to accommodate a caravan or boat. Homes offering these features at this price point and in this location are rare and always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.